Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the Tesla Model Y looking at the Nestour screen protector for the Tesla 3 and the Model Y. Some of the features of this screen protector are that it's tempered glass, anti-glare, easy to install, high definition and anti-scratch, and anti-fingerprint. So this is going to be a great accessory for your Tesla. As we get this open, you can see that there's a frame that goes around the screen protector. This makes for the easy installation process, so you don't have to touch the back of the adhesive screen protector while you're installing it. Now we need to make sure the screen is as clean as possible. If we go under display and enter screen mode, this is the cleaning mode so that we can clean and touch the screen without anything being activated. So we will clean the screen. There are some included tools within the included toolkit with the cleaning cloth, the wipes, and the stickers we'll use to help get all of the dirt, dust, debris, any fingerprints off of the screen. So as we open up the toolkit, we get into all the tools that we have here. Like I said, we have a little these stickers here. We'll get any dust off. We have a squeegee that will be used once the screen protector is on, alcohol pads, and then a cleaning cloth. Alright, after we get the alcohol wipe, this is the dry wipe. We're going to do another pass on this. Make sure we're getting every spot. Try to get as much lint, dirt, debris off of the screen, all of it as possible. And you want to look at it at different angles here to make sure that you have it all cleaned off. So now we're using the sticker to go across the screen to get any kind of dirt or lint, anything that's floating around. We're going to get that all cleaned off. Alright, with the screen clean, now we're ready to remove the protective backing from the screen protector. All the way across there. Now what we'll do is we'll line up the frame. The frame will sit evenly right on the edges of the screen. Now once the screen's in place, we can remove the protective film over the front of it, and that will release it from this frame, and we can remove the frame. And then we will get out the squeegee, and the squeegee we can use to get out any air bubbles, make sure that the screen is pressed down against the screen, and we can check to make sure there's no lint, dust, or debris underneath the screen. So now I'm going to exit screen cleaning mode by holding down the button here, and then I'll be able to test out the functionality. As I go through all the buttons here, there's no lag, there's no delay, there's no color changing. I can tell there's no bubbles underneath this, so I can't even tell there's a screen protector on here. I'm very happy with how this has turned out. It went on there very simply. It's very easy. You just got to make sure you get it nice and clean. You have all the tools included with this. The frame around the screen to install it made it very helpful, very easy, very straightforward. So I'm very glad that I had this on there. Guys, this is a must-have Tesla accessory. So see the link below. Big shout out to Nestour for supporting the channel on this with this product. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.